Yeah, my name is Sean McMean. I'm the founder of Mac Restoration Marketing. We help water damage restoration companies get more phone calls online. So I've been part of a seven-figure agency for over 5 years now. When I started, I was a generalist and I helped a lot of other agencies with fulfillment, or actually I helped a lot of general companies around me, right? And so we were about 15K per month, and we've continually grown from there. Right now we're at 110K and continue growing pretty rapidly in 2024 now. Before seven-figure agency, every single client that we brought on, it was very difficult because you had to relearn what they were doing, who their clients were, and how you could actually help them the best way. One of the great things about seven-figure agency, it gives you a blueprint to follow so that you can scale your company, so that you as the owner can step out of the day-to-day operations and focus on things that you enjoy doing and that you love. And ultimately, it gives you a blueprint to follow. And I think that's what a lot of us want as agency owners, is to understand what levers they need to push in order to get us to reach our goals that we're looking for. My agency has changed so much since working in the seven-figure agency. Not only have I been a member within the agency, but I've been a mentor, a coach, and it's been life-changing, honestly. I don't know where we would be. I probably wouldn't have the agency if I wasn't able to find this group and find Josh's training and being able to connect and network with the entire community. So life-changing is the simplest way I can look at it. It's provided more for my family, more for my team, my employees, and we've also been able to do better for our clients because of what we've learned here. One of the things when I was smaller as an agency, I felt like I was wearing 20 different hats. And it was difficult for me to say, okay, I need to hire somebody because maybe I think I can do it better, right? Ultimately, when we get to a certain level, we need to be able to hire people to help us do things and then create processes. And they're going to do better than what you actually did once you dial in that process. So hiring is really critical in scaling, and seven-figure agency really gives you a blueprint to follow and to expand upon and making your own. So impacting my personal life, more freedom, more resources is the biggest thing. For instance, because of the growth that we've had in our agency, I was able to pay myself more and actually was able to build a pool for my family so that my 4 kids have a place to hang out. I know where they're at, and it's been one of the best things. We've had that for about 3 years now. And so every summer, I know exactly where my kids are at. They're hanging out with me at my house. I see my agency in the next 6 to 12 months. We've gone through a tremendous amount of growth, and that's because of some of the coaching that I've gotten myself within the group on being able to get out of my shell and be in the right room with the right people. So going to conferences, building franchise relationships, and my agency over the last 3 to 4 months has increased by about 25%. So we added 20 new clients in October of 2024 alone. And over the next 6 months, we're going to be at Titan status, which is going to be multiple 7 figures. The most valuable thing about being part of a 7-figure agency is that you're part of a community and you have an amazing group of people that you can lean on when things are good, when things are difficult, and when you need to run things by somebody else. Before that, I had an agency. I was local, right? And you can't talk to the other agency down the street because you're competing for the same generalist clients, right? The amazing thing about this group is there's multiple agencies in the same niche that I have, and we're all communicating, we're networking and building each other up so that we can provide better results for our clients and provide more resources for our team and our community. So the network within this group is amazing. And that's the one thing that I love the most about coming to these intensives and being a part of this community. You should join Seven-Figure Agency because it is literally life-changing. You will join a group of people that are open and honest and just generally good people. And they will help you understand what sort of things you need to help, what things you need to accomplish in order to get to that next level of your goal. Whether your goal is to not be 7 figures or go past 7 figures, I think what we all need is a blueprint to follow. And the community here is great. The training's great. The guest speakers at the intensive are great. I think that the community aspect is by far the best thing about Seven Figure Agency.